At Ryerson University, experiential learning is at the core of everything we do. Our approach goes beyond the confines of a classroom, with an emphasis on integrating theory and practice with real projects. Projects at the Ryerson Center for Cloud and Context-Aware Computing and the Digital Media Zone are perfect examples of what is possible as a result of Ryerson's experiential learning philosophy. The success of the model and its impact on our students is made evident with a project called Cavalis, a connected vehicle and smart research partnership with the Ministry of Transportation of Ontario. Inspiration for this project originated in 2011 in a computer science class, where Jeevan, an undergraduate student at the time, developed an incentive-based carpooling application. The project was supervised by Dr. Hossein Rahnama and later presented to the Ministry of Transportation of Ontario as the future of connected vehicles. A research partnership was formed in June 2011, where Jeevan joined the Ubiquitous Computing Group to design the first Cavalis prototype.
The great thing about the Cavalis projects was that students who worked on it published papers in some of the highest impact factor journals and conferences, and they got academic credit for that. But they didn't stop there. They turned it into a product. They built it as a product and they commercialized it, and it's now being used by hundreds of thousands of people in the Greater Toronto area and in Ontario. So it shows a great spectrum that you have to perform great in classroom, you have to publish great papers, but then you have to build a product out of it and commercialize it. And those are some of the models that we are encouraging at Ryerson, that we call it zone learning or experiential learning.
The group successfully delivered a prototype to MTO in June 2012 on BlackBerry and Android.
The Ministry's experience with the Ryerson team has been phenomenal. It's a different approach for both universities and contractors for us, so it seems to be able to pull the best of both environments. We have a lot of energy, a lot of creativity, clearly a team that technically has been very smart and understands the platform. But they've also been able to bring in a uniqueness in terms of being able to deliver on the commitments they've made to us. So when we discuss the need for a certain product and a turnaround time that's going to be developed in, the team has worked very well together. So it's blended that mixture, I think, of youth and vigor and new ideas with, I think, a productive approach to things.
The second phase of the project began September 2012.
What happened is that MTO, after seeing the successful result we had from phase one and the work that Jeevan did, they came to us with the proposal of optimizing their workflow with the road weather reporting system. And what they had was sheets and sheets of paper of what road weather reporters would actually fill out manually and have it sent to the traffic reporters. So what we did is we looked at these sheets and sheets of paper and tried to come up with a more optimized tablet form of this information. And what eventually happened is that through this optimization process, they ended up not only liking this better, but also chose to hopefully implement in the future this coming winter.
For winter 2014, the team is planning to deploy the project on a grander scale and witness the benefits that a complete implementation can bring to Ontario.
The team's performed extremely well. They've met our timelines, they've produced products that are of high quality, they've run meetings, etc., that have been very crisp and professionally run and to the point, and it's been a real pleasure for us working with them. We felt that our time has been valued as a customer to them.
With support from Ryerson University and our partners, projects like Cavalis have been able to grow from just an idea in the classroom to an existing and functioning prototype. Ryerson University is proving through Cavalis and a multitude of other research projects how the experiential model can enhance student learning.